I think that COVID has been a huge impact, both positively and negative, in real estate. Positively, it's really impacted and helped the sellers because inventory's never been lower and demand's never been higher. So what that does is it puts us in this orbit of seller market. We got a seller market that's up here. But the negative impact is that we have a seller market that's up here. Because what happens is buyers can't find properties, buyers become fatigued, agents are running around with buyers showing 40, 50 houses, putting 20, 30 offers in, and they're not getting accepted. It's causing a sense of frustration that at the end of the day is not really helping and providing a healthy real estate market that the general public really just doesn't know. So the beauty of coming out of COVID is that this should be one of the steps that helps increase supply on a national standpoint and helps put us back into more of a healthy market.